Hey guys, okay, so in this video we're gonna do this eye look, this halo, like really cute. I'm more of a red type of person. I like reds personally, and I like the gold. I don't match in too much colors, like it really doesn't give me that like cute look. Sorry, I looked at myself in the fucking mirror again, can't stop looking at myself. But yes, hope you guys like this video. Keep on watching. My social media will be linked down below in the description and will pop up somewhere on the screen. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep on watching to get this eye look, and I see you guys in the next slide. Bye. Hey everybody, I look ratchet right now, and I have not shaved my face, and I have not like washed my hair from last night. Don't judge a bitch. Don't judge a bitch, because you know what? I was up late trying to promote myself and shit, and trying to get out there and trying to make people look at my channel. But, so I'm gonna do a makeup look because I plan on doing a funny video today, and it's gonna be like how to be a power bottom. What you need to know, what you need for that quick dick appointment, that last minute dick appointment. Hey guys, so yeah, like I said, I'm doing a makeup video right now, but it's gonna be for a funny video about how to be, you know, a power bottom. Cause you know, some people don't know how. You gotta teach a bitch, help a bitch out, let her get the dick she wants in her life. Like, sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror and the monitor so that way I can make sure I put in my hair up correctly. I look ratchet though. Okay, like I said, in this video, I'm just doing a regular makeup video. You guys can watch, do whatever the fuck y'all want. But, let's be real. It's all for this funny video that will be coming out on my Instagram, kl.mua, and my regular Instagram, my personal one, which is, oh my god, I almost forgot, queen.beaks. That is what you want to do. Go and follow me. It'll be on the screen right here and here, or wherever it pops the fuck up. Let's be real, because I suck at fucking editing these videos. But yeah, come and join me and let me look good for you. Guys, I already finished my baby hairs, but a bitch's phone overheated, I guess, and you know, the fucker went in plain and simple. Fucking said I couldn't use it, so it ended the video, so you couldn't see me finish this, but let's hope it works out now. Sorry about the fan, okay? Just FYI. Sorry about the fan. It's fucking hot. I cannot deal with it being this hot. I cannot. Oh, I don't know why I even took this out yet, but you know what? So I'm taking the LA Girls. Oh, wait, let me fucking finish my eyes first, and then I'll let y'all know. Using the LA Girls Pro Prep, cannot talk today. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer on my eyes. Yes, it's a face primer, but it's a great base for my base. If I can find my motherfucking base. Oh, there it is. So I have the base and whatever. Now I need a small fucking mirror. Where is everything that I need to order? And it's not even ready to put the fucking thing down yet. Oh, Tita. Tita, you're doing it wrong. They're gonna clock you for it. Now I'm gonna take the Max Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Painterly, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to smooth it out with my fingers, make it a little bit more even. But with that face primer that you put on your eyelids before putting this down, just makes it a lot better and it's just a lot smoother. So I'm gonna go do the other eye, prep it, whatever, and then I'll get back to you. Hey everybody, so I already finished this eye. I did it off camera because I was not about to be fucking doing 2 eyes on camera. But also, like, my phone decided to pull that stupid trip again and fucking have the overheat sign or whatever the fuck it's called. So it's okay. But I think it was because I was running my monitor and my fucking hotspot at the same time. But let's get into doing this eye look. I forgot what the fuck I did to do this eye look, honestly. I used the Morphe 35O palette again. I'm going into this shade right here. You can tell I use this shade a lot, and then this shade closest to it, because this does not have anything. And then I'm just using a big fluffy brush and I'm applying that over my entire eyelid. It's fucking hot. I already like turned back on this fan, but you know, it's all good in the hood. What did I do? I went into this shade and this shade and this shade. I went into this, this, and this. Tap off the excess and just start fucking doing it in your crease, I guess. Not like using this kind of brush. It looked weird at first to me. And I used to suck at halo eyes. I kind of still do, bitch. Like, but it's okay. These fucking chickens outside, these fucking birds need to shut the fuck up. You're probably gonna hear them throughout the whole video, but it's alright. It's okay. My sis is not mad. Then I just took a smaller detailed brush and I went into this dark shade and this dark shade and this shade. And all I'm gonna do is put that in my inner corner. Hopefully you guys can see me. Well, in my crease, inner corner and crease. What did I actually do at first? Okay, so I took this big fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then I went into that red shade you just saw me go into. Don't act like you didn't. And then I'm just gonna go over this. Oh y'all, it's really fucking hot.
Oh y'all, it's really fucking hot.
Then go back into that dark shades, whatever dark shades you have, and then the brown. And then just take some more of that red.
And then just take some more of that red.
And you're just gonna put that right in it, like that. Okay, this fan's going back on, y'all, because it's fucking hot. It's real hot. It's real hot. Why is my fan not? Oh, there we go. Whew. I was fucking dying. Oh yeah, and if you can't tell, I already did my eyebrows off camera. I probably already said that, like a dumb fuck, but it's okay. Now what you're gonna wanna do is take a concealer. I use a more liquidy one, it's just easier that way. And then look up. And now take a flat brush and just fucking go ham. Me, I don't mind if my lines are harsh right here because it's like, I'll blend it out after. Now that you have that part down, where the fuck is the brush I used? I went into this shade first, almost copper red color, and then apply it all over your lid. And then right after that, you're gonna take, is it recording, y'all? Because I don't even know. You're gonna take this gold shade and then just pack it on there as well. Buff everything in. That's basically what I did for this eye look, okay? And then what I did after that was a ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lipstick in Notion. And then I took a very, 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 very small. Tiny concealer brush.
Very small. Tiny concealer brush.
And just fucking went in and did a wing. Now this wing is gonna fucking kill me. I already know it.
Gonna fucking kill me. I already know it.
Okay. Oh, I almost stuck my fucking concealer brush in there. Okay. So, yeah, that's how you basically get this eye look. That was very quick. Surprisingly. Okay, guys, so I'm basically gonna fast forward through. I'm gonna, like, speed through all the rest of it. I was just pretty much doing this eye look. So, yeah. All I did was one last step is that I took this blending brush. I went under my eye. Pro Prep Primer. And I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Okay, bye. Because I got distracted again, so this is my outro. Hope you guys fucking love it. Hope you guys love this look. I did my makeup like really quick. Look, at least I hope you came for this eye look. Like, hope you did. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like, love me. That's all I want is love. Yeah, right, bitch. You just want dick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like I always said. My Instagram and my social media will be linked down below and will pop up on the screen wherever the fuck it pops up. I don't know where it will, but it will eventually pop up on the screen. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love y'all. See you next. And also, don't forget to go look at my last video. It's Bad Bitch Bougie.